how to hold that location on FedEx. Hello friends, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, you would learn how you can hold your FedEx package at a secure location for pickup. If you want to do so, just follow the steps that I'll be showing you in this video. The first step is to visit FedEx website, and then once you're on the website page, the next thing to do is to head to the FedEx tracking page, or you could just click on tracker. You can see that once you're on the FedEx website, you can see the write up welcome to FedEx, and then after that you can see some icons which includes rate and transit times, track, ship. So ensure you click on track. And then once you click on track, you can see a box displaying tracking ID. Just go ahead and enter in the tracking ID of your package and click on track. So after clicking on track, you'll be taken to the tracking page, and there you'll see details about your package. So once you can see those details, the next thing that you have to do is to select manage delivery on the page. All right, on the tracking page, you'll see the option manage delivery. So select it. After selecting it, other options will be displayed, and amongst the options displayed to you, ensure you choose the hold at location option. Then after that, you will be from the options provided again, choose the FedEx location where you want your package to be held. And you can also search for participating locations next to you. Then you would receive a notification through text, automated phone call, or email. Let's say you know that your package is ready for pickup. But ensure you do this before the time where that you've been told that your package would be delivered. All right, so once you enter in your tracking ID in here, just move to the right side, click on track, and then you'll be taken to the tracking page. And then on the tracking page, you would also see the manage delivery. Click on it, follow the remaining steps that I've shown you in this video, and you're good to go. Thanks for watching and have a good day.